Hey everyone, it's Sumi and welcome back to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy moong dal or split moong bean dosa. It's delicious, it's highly versatile and pliable, so you can use it as a wrap. I'm going to show you how you can pair it up with different sides, and we're also going to see how to make a high protein wrap that's vegan and gluten free. So let's get cooking. Here I'm taking 1 cup of moong dal and I'm going to rinse it under cold water till the water runs clear. This way you can get rid of any dirt or excess starch. Once the water is clear, I'm going to soak the lentils in some cold water once again for 1 hour. The best thing about this dosa is that you don't need to soak or ferment it overnight, so it significantly reduces the cooking time. After an hour, you'll notice that the lentils have soaked up the water and swollen up, at which point we can transfer to a blender jar. To this, I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a dry Kashmiri red chili, 4 to 5 curry leaves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, and I'm going to blend till smooth. I didn't use any water to blend my mixture, but if you feel like it's too thick, you can add a splash of water and blend. To this, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of water and I'm going to mix till the batter comes to a traditional dosa batter or cake batter consistency where we can see the folds forming in the batter. You can keep adding water till the batter looks like this, salt to taste, and mix it up really well once again. Here I've kept my cast iron pan on medium-high heat, to which I'm adding a teaspoon of unrefined coconut oil. You can use any flavorless oil of your choice that has a high smoke point. And I'm going to spread the oil out evenly before I start making my dosas. So you want to start at the center and move in concentric circles with a light hand. You can keep this dosa thick if you like it thick. I like my dosas to be super thin and crispy. Since this is the first dosa, it'll take around a minute and a half on each side. And as always, the first one is a struggle, but after this, it'll get really quick and easy. As you can see, the dosa has a beautiful golden brown color, and we just want to repeat the same thing to the other side as well. I also added a little oil to the top to get that golden brown color. So you can just follow the same method for the rest of the batter, and the process should be a lot quicker starting the second dosa, so keep an eye on it after every 30 seconds because it will start moving fast. 1 cup of lentils should make around 6 to 8 dosas. As you can see, they're beautiful and golden and they're so delicious. For a traditional South Indian breakfast, you can serve these dosas with a chutney of your choice and with some milagai puri or gunpowder on the side. This has truly become one of my go-to breakfast options, but for a more satiating and protein-rich meal, I love making these yummy wraps. You need very simple ingredients. I'm going to make a quick tofu scramble for which I have drained my tofu of any moisture and I have crumbled it up. For my original tofu scramble recipe, click here. I'm just making a super simple version for this wrap. In a pan on medium-high heat, I've added a teaspoon of unrefined coconut oil. Once that's melted, I'm adding a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida. And I'm going to mix this and cook till the cumin seeds are nice and toasty and fragrant, which should take around 30 to 40 seconds. I'm also going to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'm going to cook this for 15 to 20 seconds. And I'm going to add the chopped Thai green chili. This is totally optional but adds so much flavor, followed by 1/2 of a chopped red bell pepper. After a couple of seconds of cooking, I'm just going to add in the crumbled tofu because bell pepper and chilies don't really need that long to cook. I'm also going to salt to taste and mix all of this really well so all of the spices and the vegetables are well incorporated. And I'm going to finish with chopped cilantro and our simple mixture is done. I'm going to assemble the wrap by adding a layer of hummus for more protein, the scrambled tofu filling, some freshness with some lettuce, and chopped cucumber and some tomatoes. Make sure to salt each step to not miss out on any flavor. You can add any salad vegetables of your choice. You can also add some hot sauce for an extra kick. This just makes for such a delicious and filling wrap. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please let me know in the comments if you do end up making it, because it's truly one of my favorites. And please like and subscribe for more vegan Indian dishes, and I'll see you next time.